Hey, Dr. McNamara here, and I just want to go over a couple different exercises that can be really helpful in increasing your hip strength. So if you're suffering from any sort of hip pain, hip osteoarthritis, or any other hip pathologies, this is going to be a great exercise for you, especially if you're an individual that has difficulty standing for too long periods of time because that hip starts to hurt. So all this can be done in a chair. So if you have a band like this, that's all you're going to need plus the chair, and let's give this a try. So what you're going to do, first thing we're going to try to strengthen is the glute medius muscle, and this muscle causes abduction of the hip joint, and it also helps stabilize the low back. So this is also helpful for low back pain. So what we want to do is put the band around the knees since we're focused on the hip joint, and then all you're going to do is simply just abduct, and you should be really feeling that in the glutes, and then slowly come back to center. A good cadence to do for this is go out quick for about 1 second, and then on the eccentric portion, slowly about 4 seconds on the way back. And that will really help strengthen up that glute medius muscle and really stabilize that hip joint as well as that low back. The next one we want to work on is our hip flexors. I find that hip flexors are one of the major culprits along with that glute medius that cause hip and low back pain. So to work this one out, it's very simple. You're going to put the bands over the feet this time, and you just think like you're going to march. So you may have to lean back a little bit for this one, but you just want to lift up the leg. You can see how I'm flexing in the hip, and I could really feel those hip flexors firing off, and then go back down, and then do the other leg, just like you're marching in place. And a good cadence for this also is going up pretty quick. You can even hold for a little bit at the top for an isometric, and then going down nice and slow. So just like that. And these two exercises are a great way to get you started with any sort of exercise program to strengthen the hips and help with both hip and low back pain. If you guys like this information, please like and subscribe for more health and wellness. Thank you.